guys, today's video is going to be another hair tutorial, and of course it's going to be a talk through. This one comes courtesy of a company by the name of Neflyon. I've worked with this company before. This time around they sent me a glueless bob lace wig. So she's 150% density. She's 12 inches in length. Hold on, I have the specs here. So the lace on this one is 13 by 6 inches. It is 12 inches in length and 150% density. So this is what the parting space looks like. It is 13 by 6. It's meant to be a deep side part, so we definitely can rock the side part, and you guys can see how much body it has to it. This one fits glueless. It actually fits super snug. It came with an elastic band and it literally fits my head so good. And of course it's Swiss lace, so I'm gonna jump right into it. It's definitely like a Mercury retrograde kind of night. Not feeling it, but we're gonna push through. So I really love off the bat how much body this one has. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace first per usual, and I'm gonna use the usual suspects. Also, remind me to wash this brush. I think I haven't washed it in a month. This is about 4 pumps. I'm gonna go ahead and buff it into the hairline, and then this is pretty much what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it in. Okay, so like here you really cannot tell what the lace is gonna look like. Should we pluck it? Should we tweeze it? Typically if you're used to this, you can eyeball it and tell, but for someone who's a beginner, you really can't tell. So a cheat to do is take your electric hot comb, and you can do this step off your head. All you do is take the wig off, put it on your mannequin head. That way you can like press out the hairline very close to the hairline without risking burning yourself. Trust me, I've burnt myself many a time, so definitely be careful. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but it definitely makes a huge difference in person. Now if you're going for like Beyonce vibes, I feel like this is plucked enough. If you're going for Instagram vibes, you're definitely gonna wanna customize it a little bit more. Also pay attention to what the wig looks like behind the hairline. Typically it is like maybe a little bit more full. Like once you part out what you would consider baby hair, it's a lot easier to see what the wig truly looks like. So behind the hairline, this looks really good. I don't really think it needs to be plucked or tweezed for someone who is a beginner or into the everyday. But if you are, you know, into the Instagram vibe, you might want to do just a little bit. Today we're gonna do that just a little bit. My baby's calling me. I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the elastic band out. Sometimes you'll find that when you add an elastic band, it pulls a wig back, so it kind of will make it to where the wig will fit a little bit awkward. And if you guys notice, I wasn't able to bond the wig down on the side properly, so I'll go back and bond it down properly, but it just required for me to take that elastic off for it to fit comfortably. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish styling the wig, and then off camera I'm going to bond this down properly. Okay, this looks perfect to me. It was a little bit more height up here at first, and I kind of just calmed it down ever so slightly right here so that it wouldn't be too high, and this looks perfect. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like the parting looks perfect. You really don't have to add anything to it, but like right here I kind of feel like it can be opened up a little bit. So first I'm gonna go in with some concealer. If you order this wig, this step is definitely optional. It's always optional, but I definitely, like I said before, I feel like you don't necessarily need it if you want to skip this step. But I'm extra, more so because right here I feel like it can be a little bit more open, and I find that when I tweeze out my wigs, like in the parting, I always over tweeze, or I'll do it just a little bit too lopsided. You guys can tell, but that made a huge difference to me. And I just took the excess that was already on here and kind of just go into the hairline a little bit. The parting looks perfect to me, so I really don't need to add any of my foundation powder like I normally do, but you definitely want to go in and blend that out a little bit. What do you guys think? Do you guys see the difference that I see with the front of it? It's just a subtle difference, but like I'm very anal about stuff like that, and I think that helped out a lot. Now typically I go behind the ears with this part of the wig, but I'm just trying to do things a little bit different and get out of my shell doing the same thing always. I feel like I executed this little feather bang perfectly. I'm happy I went ahead and took my time and was able to get it perfectly. I feel like sometimes when I do it or I have the intention to do it, it comes out a little bit wonky. So this is perfect. I do have on lashes, so I like it when I do it super deep and it like goes in my eye a little bit. But at the same time, I have on some mink lashes, and you guys know mink lashes are thicker. So I gotta kind of keep it to the side a little bit so it doesn't have my lashes laid down. But again, this one did come from Neflyon. They did give me a bunch of goodies. They gave me like a backpack, they gave me some lashes and a wig grip. They also gave me the wig caps, so make sure you guys check them out. I do have this wig linked in the description box. Also, I have all the details on it and all that, and of course including a list and links of everything I use to complete this look, all my holy grail products that I use. Yeah, and if you guys have some suggestions for some products that you think I should try, whether it's something that you're in the market for and you want me to kind of review it for you guys before you purchase it, or something that you think I'll like, or you know, anything that you think, let me know. Follow me on Instagram and you can DM me there so that we can chat it up and you can let me know what products you want to see. I know sometimes it gets repetitive when I use the same products, so I'm definitely interested in trying some new stuff. Just let me know what products you guys want to see me use, and also what hairstyles you guys want to see me try out on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.